In this video, I'm going to show you how to change leverage on Eightcap. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your Eightcap portal, you want to click on the Accounts tab up top and then Accounts again. Here, you want to select the account you want to change the leverage of. So, for example, for me, if I want to change the leverage of this demo account, just click on the Manage button next to your account and then click on Change Leverage. In here, it's going to pop up the request leverage change basically window, and just go ahead and select the leverage you'd like. So for example, let's say you want to change it to this one, and then here you want to describe your request. You just describe why and click on confirm. And whenever you do that over here, it's basically going to put in a request to change the leverage. And there we go. As you can see, it's going to say it's been received and they'll be reviewing it basically by their team. Okay. And if that's actually approved, then you'll be able to change your leverage. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.